just a minute. I'll tell you in just a minute. I'm sorry, smart cookie. I was eating those smokehouse almonds. Those things are damn addicting. And then she goes and gets these big old huge tubs of like, what are those things? Oh, shut the hell up. Oh, the peanut M&Ms. I got peanut in my teeth. Well, she said, you know, whatever. Hey, listen. So I was gonna say, I know I got peanuts and smokehouse almonds in my mouth. So listen, can you put on the grocery list for the husband, whoever goes to the store, or for the lady? We need the heavy duty spray and wash. Is the heavy duty spray and wash for the clothes? Because Greg over here, he's been getting his whitey tighties are not white anymore. No, they're not. I'm gonna start buying him the chocolate brown. Cause I'm dead cause I am. Your whitey tighties are not white anymore. They're turning in, just gonna buy you the color they're gonna be anyway. Just, like seriously, after 2 hours, they're not. My deepest apologies, my man. I am very sorry about that. I'll have the lady cut that part out. So we don't want the whole world to know that you don't wipe well when you're in the bathroom. So anyway, hello you guys. My name is Sassy Pants, and I'm not going to be doing any Mask Monday or skincare or Facial Friday or whatever the hell it's called, or I don't know, Get Stoned Saturday. Who cares? Whatever it is. I'm going, what's the other one? Confess your sins on Sunday? Yeah, something like that. Okay, so anyway, look you guys. Remember I told you about this? I got my BOXYCHARM. I got this one. I got my PM. No, not post-menstrual. Damn it, smart cookie. Those are good ones, but that's okay. So anyway, you guys, listen. Okay, so my deepest apologies because I still kind of have like almonds stuck in my mouth, and there's peanut M&Ms. So I've been kind of munching a little bit, doing this and that. And she was, okay, see how I'm still in my wife beater clothes? That's because she's going to change when it's her turn. Oh yeah, just gotta love it when she leaves this on me. Whatever, I don't care. I should probably take the damn thing off. But so listen, here's what happened. She saw, I'm gonna get some makeup on. I go, what, are you filming today? Do I get to open some boxes? She goes, go ahead. I said, no, I'm not doing shit until you. I said, I'm not doing anything until you put some makeup on me too. And so I just waited. So now it's like, it's after 7 o'clock in the evening and we're barely filming. So, but she got a late start anyway. And because I refused to do any videos until she had her face done. So that was another issue. So who really gives a I'm trying not to cuss, okay? I'm going to start putting a quarter. Greg's quarters in a jar. Okay, so anyway, all right, listen. This is BOXYCHARM. Who gives a crap, right? Okay, it's just, what month are we in? Let me see. That's right, April 2022. Yes, that's what it is. Open the box, just like everybody else does. Inside you do get a card. What's the theme for the month of April? Boxy Spring Revival. Oh, are we really supposed to go to church? Is there a revival in town? Do you guys see big tents around? Like huge tents? You need to go to a revival. There's out demon spirits. That's all I got to say about you. You're just like, I'm serious. You're like, you're crap. Okay, so let's take out this scrub and... Oh, look at, there's some... I totally forgot what we had in here, you guys. Okay, so you do get a card, all right? And on the card, it's got a list of all the items. It gives you a description. It gives you the retail price. So you kind of know how much, you go and pay, what is it up to now? $30 for this box. Are we over $30 yet? Used to be $25. Used to be $25 a month. Used to be $22. Oh my God. Anyway, so listen, you're getting 5 products in this one. This one's the base box. But what I'm trying to explain to you, if you would just sit there and just shut up for a minute. I think I just told my audience to shut up. I mean, please be quiet. You're interrupting me. This is not interaction time. When Edward passes the basket around, you can go ahead and put your questions in the basket. After you put your dollar in there. It's donations. It's just donations. Okay, so anyway. So what, William? I just told the audience to keep their hands. They're just asking questions. Now what? Yes, you're in charge of the pen and pad of paper. Put it in the box or the basket when Edward passes it around. It's the only job you have. And to stop annoying me. Thank you. Edward, keep her in line. Thank you so much. All right. So as I was saying, this is the base box. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. You get to choose one. Okay. Down on the bottom of the card over here on the bottom right corner, it's going to tell you what your variation is. We don't care. Because I picked one and all the other 4, you're going to get them whether you like it or not. Okay, so who cares? All right, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Oh, yes, all right, we got some ABH. This is the Luminous Foundation. Check this out, you guys. It's like very... Woo! What's going on? You're dark. Okay, so anyway, this is the Anastasia. See? Okay. What color did we get? 260N. So I'm guessing that's what's the N stand for? Neutral, nude, something like that. I don't know. We don't know what it stands for. It's a medium coverage. I just know that. I think the lady got one too, but she got the 2 different colors because she's not the same shade as I am. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Look at it. It's like a bottle. You know, it's a bottle. It is. Check this out. I'm deepest of sorries because the demon child's behind you. But I mean, you know, look at this. It's almost like a chocolate malt, you know, like a shake. That's what it reminds me of. But anyway, I'm not gonna dip into it because she's already done with her makeup today. We don't have any foundation on. Just what do we have? What's that stuff called again? Oh, it's... She always uses the Huda Beauty Glowish. It's a Glowish. All right. So this one right there, that's $38. And then Sila by Celine Dadrisi. This is a clay cleanser. Oh, we love clay cleansers, you guys. We love clay cleansers. Yes, we do. It's in one of those aluminum toothpaste tubes. Yes. And this is a new brand to Boxy. You know what? I don't think it is. Sila, it's okay. Well, maybe Sila's been in Boxy before. Why do they always say it's a new brand? Maybe the product, but not the brand. Okay. So this one here is $45. It says it gently cleanses. The cream helps to remove all of your makeup. Well, you know, I've got all kinds of other stuff that does that. So it's not that. This will probably go with, I don't know. Let's see. Is it black? Because you know how I like to paint my face, you guys. It's got a seal. It's got a seal on it. All right. Anyway, this new brand of Boxy. All right. Then we got Christoph Robin. And this is going in a giveaway. That's all I'm going to tell you. So this is instant volumizing leave-in mist with rose water. Uplifted roots and fuller lengths. The last thing we need is our hair lifted and fuller. We're always trying to bring it down, to calm her down. Yes, we are. Okay. So anyway, this one here is $39. Plus, I already have 2 bottles. They're up there, and they need to go in giveaway boxes. Okay, the next one is by Item. I don't know. I think this is the one that I chose. It has to be the foundation because I can't see picking any of these. Okay. Anyway, this one is a lash snack. Okay, this one is mascara. You guys, it's $15. It's a lengthening mascara. Do we open it? No, because it's got like a pull tab. We need like tools and stuff. I said stuff. My dog's trying to get back in. He's grounded from being in the room. You know, the little one? The little guy, buddy. Yeah. Oh yeah, he's grounded. Oh, look how pretty. These remind me of those ones that you put, it's like a base, eye base, in the little tube. It's very pretty. I'm not going to open it. No, because it'll just dry out. See, I'm doing pretty good. Yes, I am. I'm doing pretty good. Showing boxes of my stuff and things. You know, as soon as I get done opening these, you know, the part that sucks, because I think they're mine. No, the lady says, no, those are mine. I go, oh, okay, well, you know what? I guess because she paid for it, it's no big deal. Okay, so $15. And then this one, this is by Lucky Chick. Oh, seriously, this is Lucky Chick. Yes. So, it's a liquid eyeshadow. A new brand to Boxy. So there was 2 new brands to Boxy. I honestly do really think we have seen this before. This is a very neutral, just plain blah color. Nothing special. I'm not going to open it because it just is kind of, you know, it's neutral. It's just soft. Oh, something you wear to church, to the revival. Oh, there's the color. Rose quartz. Okay, that's it. There's all 5 of my items. 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's it. That's all of it. Done. How much did my box come out to? Well, you guys are gonna ask that anyway. It's $159. Right there. $159. So, and I don't even know what my variation is. Do we really care? I don't know, 084, 064, I don't know, it doesn't matter. It's 084, who cares? Don't, you know what, Miss Lady, don't even put it on the screen, because nobody cares. It's at the end of the month and it doesn't matter. We already picked for May. And didn't we? We did, right? Okay, so anyway. I don't think we're doing picks anymore, you guys. I think the lady got fed up with the stuff we've been getting, and she just said, that's it. So, when it comes choice day, she just skips it. Even with the Ipsy, Sipsy, Lipsy, whatever the hell it is. Okay, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video because she told me to do 1 box and then say goodbye and then come back. You know how, you know what I mean. So I thank you very much for watching me unbox my BOXYCHARM base box for April 2020. Oh, who cares? It's right there. There's the date, you guys. For April. And I will see you. It's do we say that? No, that's her line. That's not ours. That's, oh well. I'm going to make another video after this. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Peace. You know, I do not have any of this energy. She just wore my ass out just playing with her damn face. Okay, oh shit.